Hello guys, today I just came back from school. My mom's gonna make me cut my hair because it's too big. And then after that, she's gonna take me to McDonald's. And then I'm gonna come home and I'm gonna watch TV. Bye! After 10 years of walking, we finally made it. Right? Hopefully, do a great haircut too.
Wow. You're so fast.
Hello, Joel.
I'll go short, but I won't go maybe as short as the picture. Okay? Yeah. Just because, like I say, this is pretty much. That if you want to keep the picture for kind of reference, I'll just tell them that we went to.
Welcome back. Now I got my haircut. Now it said on the board that if you're 10 or below, you get it cut for $22. I'm 10, but they thought I was 12. So when we went there, it cost more than $22. So if I look 12 to you guys, then why am I in grade 5? I should be in grade 7. Because next in January 6th, I'm turning 11. Okay, bye.